Why are cats afraid of cucumbers? This is one of the most famous animal facts. It seems like such a silly question and answer, but it's true. Cats really are afraid of cucumbers. It's not just a silly superstition or a joke. To cats, they are long, slimy, and they feel weird when they are rubbed against the fur. Cats can smell cucumbers from miles away and know to stay away from them. This is what scientists call an innate or inborn behavior. Little kittens are born with an instinct to run away from cucumbers.